Well, pretty much yung starters ng Heat Waves. The very same five that started game number 1. And ang ganda rin ang kombinasyon ng bigs talaga nitong Abra Weavers, Gia Chu, Raven Gonzalez, and you have David Defonso at number 3.
Raven Gonzalez, labas kay Ayon for the 3. Yes! He's found his groove. Ito si Mike Ayon, and it just spells danger to everyone. Hesed. They go to Mabulak. Bulanadi, the fake. The pass to Mabulak, easy too.
Well, sa depensa ng Abra Weavers, isa na yan kapareho.
Joe Ray against Chu. There's a double team. Napoles keeps it alive. Gabo finds Joe Ray Napoles. Look what I found.
Isa sa mga bagay na nangyari nung game number 1.
Brickman gets it to Ayon. Mike. Ayon with a jumper. That is money for Mike.
Nakausap si Coach Jerson, one of the conversations, sabi niya abaw nung screen kaya nagiging late. Ito, maganda naging recovery para sa Heat Waves.
Well, nice help there galing kay
yes.
De Gregorio. Bulanadi scores over Ayon. Magoliano is in the game, and so is Alfred Batino. Ildefonso 0 for 4 to start the ball game, but Batino gets the offensive rebound. Gonzalez inside. That is a tough matchup para kay JP Magoliano. Bongalanza, Enzo Serrano is in the game. Nag-cut si Magoliano, very forceful inside.
Miscommunication yun sa depensa. Kita mo, nag-usap si Batino kagad, tsaka si
8 seconds to work with. Nag-cut si Robby, nabitawan ng bola. Ayon spins away, 3-on-1 break. Serrano scores off the glass and in.
Ganda ng pagkaka-timing ng ginawa na yun ni Serrano.
Melencio gets it to Vic Manuel. Nice crossover by the muscle man. What a move! 4 points para kay Vic Manuel.
Cross and drop Oduba on the floor and finish. Wow!
Ildefonso sees daylight.
Palubungin mo siya sa kabila.
Melencio. Oh, Taiwan. Really quick. Oh, big block. Oduba is there. Crowd coming alive here.
Point blank, make a ball, pero hindi pumasok. Kalimutan mo na yun. You have to move on and play the next possession para dito sa Heat Waves.
Serrano attacks and scores. We are tied at 15.
And then, yeah, without a doubt. At yun naman na nagugustuhan mo sa mga attitude ng mga upcoming stars like David Defonso. But this drive though, ibang klase, dire-diretso yun. Wala nakapigil.
Back the other way for Abra. Batino wants it against Manuel. Batino, yes!
Ibang klase yung setup rin na yun para sa Abra Weavers.
Si Batino, Mabulak was open. Napoles, Melencio is there, blocked by Batino, but keeping the possession alive for Pangasinan was birthday shoutout kay Kuya Jess. Jess Hinayon, our cameraman.
Ayun,
nagtatrabaho on his birthday.
Niloloko ko nga siya kanina. Sabi ko, ang grande naman masyado yung birthday mo.
Mike DG with a 3. The lowest seed to get this far. What a hesitation move galing kay Alin Bulanadi. Met by Gonzalez. Ayon will lay it in. Plus the foul.
And malayo pa lang si Delph, alam ko na parang naisip mo sana na simplihan ng konti yung pasa. No? He was fading already to the 3. Mike was ready to catch and shoot pero hindi maganda yung angulo ng pagkakapasa.
Camacho to Raven with a push shot. Soft touch. Raven Gonzalez.
At saka bibihira ang mga...
Abra with the lead. And they do have the ball here.
Switch.
They go to Raven inside. Raven Gonzalez. Brickman There's Raven. Again. Yes.
Ibang klase.
9 points for Raven Gonzalez.
Simple lang, focused on the game. And more importantly sa akin, they're both sponges na talagang gustong matuto. Ika nga para sa laro.
Vic Manuel with a turnaround, he gets the bounce. That's an important basket because getting control of this ball game. 8 points now for the muscle man.
So far, lahat ng mga scoring na nakikita natin nanggagaling mostly sa mga big men itong dalawang teams.
Inside, David Defonso, strong to the cup. Using the slight up fake. Medyo nawala sa Mike. Pinapahirapan ni Bulanadi. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ayon drives, runner off the glass and in.
Alin Bulanadi made a mistake of trying to steal to score in certain stretches.
Yes, absolutely. Here's Mabulak. Inside, Bulanadi. Good answer for Pangasinan. They needed that.
Kailangan atakihin ko dito sa kabila. Kaya nakuha niya yung pasa at napaka-easy ng basket na yun.
Inside, Galanza. 2 points. And this is how you stay in the thick of the fight. The following season, nung nag-champion sila, stayed around to finish the season in the bubble. David Defonso, though. And this time, Dave isn't settling for those mid-range.
Better here in the second quarter compared to game number 1.
4-point game at the break. We will be right back.
You still love the energy, man. You still got to produce those points.
Defonso, Bulanadi read it. Ang ganda naman. Para kay Jeyo Chu, bumagsak ang bola. He was able to score on the layup. Brickman out to Serrano. Encho, the spin, the one-hander. Yan ang hanap buhay natira ni Enzo Serrano.
Dead shot.
Wala
ni Enzo Serrano. Spin floater.
Mabulak goes to the middle. Nandun si Napoles. Mike, turn around, got it.
Boy, he made those basket pero
are liking whatever is happening. Ito ang plano nila. Keep it as close as they can. Going to the crucial part of the game kung saan nung game 1, dito daw talaga sila sa third quarter nagsimulang lumubog. They need...
Alin fires, short rebound, Mabulak. Vic Manuel. That's a tough shot. No problem for the muscle man.
no problem pag ganun kalapit. Vic Manuel.
Marwin Taiwan. Abra only up by 3 here. Ildefonso. Atake sa gitna. Dave Ildefonso.
Well, soon as naiwan.
As JP, another try. No good. Taiwan. 3-pointer. Oh! That's a big one for Marvin Taiwan. And Ildefonso. Jumper, got it.
It doesn't matter.
11 puntos na para kay Dave. Serrano off to Taiwan. Yi inside. Marquis makes it a 12-point lead.
And every time the Weavers go on this run and the heat wave.
Just mula sa ating moms ng ating Twin Towers. Pero for now, balik muna sa inyo sa Delphin Coach Mike.
Thank you so much, Andrea. So another side of the game. At the end of the day, they're also sons.
101% for your kid. Kaya naman bukas nasa first community ride.
Oh, Marquis.
My goodness.
Magic bunot. Marquis, no straight PBL. Ito si Marquis extending the lead to 12. He's got 5 points here in the second half. Napoles trying to answer.
Yeah.
Got it.
That's the shot that I've been waiting for Jory Napoles to take.
Mas loaded pa nung dumating ito si Jason Brickman.
Yes.
Oh, Bonga Lanza for 2 plus the foul.
Ayan ang mga kailangan nila. Quick decision to attack. Lalo na sa low block. Huwag
You mentioned that defensive rebounds because he completes the defensive stand.
Correct.
of his team. Napoles for three. Got it!
I told you, catch and shoot, ball swing, weak side, Jory Napoles.
6 na puntos na lang ang lamang dito ng Abra from as high as 12. Under 6 minutes to play. Taiwan with a getaway. Finds Oduba underneath. Here's Taiwan. Marwin attacks. Naiwan ng bantay. It's Marwin Taiwan with another outstanding game. Gabo to Napoles. Another three. Yes! Jory Napoles is keeping the heat waves.
Basta nahahanap mo si Jory Napoles on that weak side, may pagkakataon ka.
Gonzalez underneath, and Raven Gonzalez with 11 points.
Na kayo, dumipensa na lang kayo.
Hindi si Marwin natatakot
Oo.
pag sumundot dun na alanganin. Ayon, puts it in! And hindi yun ha. Sino gumawa nun?
Tingin ko si Maki.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Kilala ko yung gumawa nun. De Gregorio with a big three.
They're still in it.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Taiwan against Imilencio. Marwin, layup, masyado malakas. Bulanadi goes to De Gregorio. Atake si Mike DG. The basket plus the foul. Pangasinan still in it.
This will be big.
8 seconds in the shot clock for Abra. Dave finds Batino, the shot fake, and the foul. Alfred Batino will have to earn the 2 points from the free throw line. That's an advantage here for Abra, make that a 6-point game. Taiwan with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Brickman, Ayon for three. Ball is loose, picked up by Taiwan. Oduba. Ayon slips. Brickman has it. Taiwan trying to secure the game here at home. Oh, JB Pernos up 0. Nako. North Division champion yun kung 3-0.
Oo.
Pero may isa pa, may game 3 pa to. And the Abra Solid North Weavers move on the cusp of capturing the North Division title. They are 1 game away. Solid North Weavers now up 2-0 after this 66-59 win